Today we're behind the wheel of a beautiful 1967 Mustang Coupe.
So as we get up here to the stop sign, it looks like the temperature gauge, factory temp gauge isn't working. Horn works, speedometer works, gas gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, alternator gauge works.
Education? Did you know China prioritized?
What a quality car. Factory AM radio still works on it. Another thing that's kind of crazy, I'm trying to think if this was what light that was, but it also has factory air, Dalton. And the air works great.
Feels great on a day like today.
That's great. Dome light works. Headliner's nice. See how this goes down the road, shall we?
After the Subaru goes by.
We'll wait for the Subaru.
And the
Got a lot of cars to wait for. But this one really did a awesome transformation. I mean, you got a really nice interior. Went ahead and put brand new 17-inch American torque thrust chrome wheels, brand new tires. Again, air conditioning works, wipers work. It's like the only thing that doesn't work, D, is the temperature gauge. It's got a manual choke over here as well. So we'll push that in and see what we get. Sounds good too, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
As far as our steering goes, perfectly straight down the road. As far as our gears go, I'm guessing they're kind of lower gears as well. We're doing about 65. I don't know if that tach's quite right though. 70 at 3,200 RPM. But it's not wrapping out crazy, is it?
I wonder if the tach's not off a little bit.
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering if it isn't. Look how it goes down the road, D.
Goes down the road.
Oh, no shake, no shimmy. The tires are balanced perfectly.
Suspension feels good.
Yeah, it really does. I'm gonna adjust my mirror. As far as the brakes go, brake stop nice. We have just a little pull to the left, and I noticed that after Jay got done power washing a little bit. It's got a nice pedal. What do you think of it?
I like it. I'm excited to go around it. So,
Yeah, gorgeous color on it too. So
beautiful car.
yeah. Hey, one thing I want to point out, it does not have power steering, but it's very nice to know just how nice it steers. I mean, with these bigger factory steering wheels, it steers perfect.
It's a really nice strawberry red 1967 Mustang Coupe. When this car came in, it did not look like this. We put some different wheels on it that really made it stand out, give it that aggressive look. Buffed the paint out. Paint turned out beautiful. But one of the nicest things with it, it has air.
Yeah, it does, and it blows ice cold. I love the American Racing wheels that we put on it. They're 17-inch, and it's got a great stance.
Brand new tires as well.
Yeah. Top of the inner fenders and stuff is in good shape. I wouldn't call the under the hood like show quality. It needs to be touched up a little bit, but this little 67 runs great, drives great, and has air, Dalton. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, I know you took the undercarriage photographs. Did they turn out nice? Was it solid?
Yeah, really solid underneath. Painted nice, you know, black underneath, really solid, straight,
Good.
nice car. Good sounding dual exhaust. Very straight up and down the sides. Got a little paint imperfection right here. And then another little
Man, look at the paint in the door jambs though, Dalton. Whoever painted this did an awesome job, didn't they? Very, very nice.
That's probably 10-year-old paint, but it looks, like you said, it looks great.
Yeah, it looks show quality. As we look here, it's all speckled, clear coated, inner fenders, everything under that mat is in great shape. Very, very nice.
Bumper looks like it could be original or older replaced, but it has a great shine, looks
Yeah,
great.
it still looks good, doesn't it? As you look up and down the side, Dalton, there's no bubbles or blisters anywhere down the side. The bottom of the door lines up really nicely. I take that back. There is a couple bubbles right here at the very front edge of the door. I didn't see before, but look at the corner and we'll look in there too. As far as the bottom of the fender, bottom of the door lines up really nicely. As we go in here, the paint of the door jambs are excellent, just like the trunk paint. The corner of the doors never had any rust there.
Okay, talk.
As we look at the corner of this door, there's a couple bubbles on the outside, but look at this. It's 100% original, untouched. So both corners of the doors are great. Door jamb paint's good. As we look at the dash pad, that's in good shape too. Horn works, original AM radio works, dome light works, visors and headliner in great shape. It's a really good quality car.
Does have a little ding up here, kind of on the body line there. Hood lines up great on the passenger side.
Yeah, it does on both sides here. As we go up across the top, that's in great shape. No previous hail damage, nothing like that. Trunk lid lines up great as well. As we went through here, we have just a couple tiny little paint imperfections right here. Back window area is excellent. Back glass, back shelf is all nice. Chrome trim is great back here. Gas lid cap, bumpers all look good. It does have the bumper guards. As we look up and down the sides, very nice and straight. No bubbles or blisters here in the rear quarter.
A couple of rock chips, but...
Yep. Over the wheel well is awesome. The back of the door here lines up great to the quarter panel and all the way across here to the front fender. Again, another little Mustang that really lines up good. Original door handles. Your corner of the door is rust-free. Bottom of the door is great. I like that when they did the restoration years ago, they reshot all this in the matte black like it should be. Seats are excellent front and back. Door gem paint's nice. It's got this one's got 108,970. Again, air conditioning over here. Just a really nice turnkey driver, 1967, good looking Ford Mustang.